There are 4 faculty members and 7 students who are interested in going to a conference. However, the grant will allow only 5 people. How many different ways can 5 people be selected to attend this conference? So here we have to select 5. So select a certain number of people from, and here we have no restrictions. We can select from any of the students or faculty, so that would be 4 plus 7 people, which is 11 people. So we have to select 5 from 11 because there are absolutely no restrictions. Any of the 11 people can go. So since it's a selection, we'd have to use the technique of counting using the NCR or combinations. So NCR, N is the total number of people, which is 11, from which we select, C for select, 5 people. So it'll be 11C5. Now again, I know I'm repeating myself, but please do not use the formula. All you need to do is use your calculator function and figure this out. 11 NCR5, that's equal to 462. Now the next one, if only students are allowed to use the grant money. So we have 4 faculty members and 7 students without any restriction. We said there are 11 people to choose from, and we choose 5 from 11. But in this case, there is a restriction, and the grant money can only be used for students, only students. So now we do not include faculty members, but we still have to choose 5, right? We have to choose 5 students. So it's specifically students. So it would be choose 5, and we choose from a total of 7 students. So from 7 students, choose 5. So it would be from 7. So that becomes N. N is the larger number. And R. So 7C5. So 7C5 is a formula that's going to count the total number of selections of 5 students from a total of 7, and that is equal to, and use your calculator function. If you're using a TI-30X2S, you're going to do 7. You hit the PRB button and choose NCR, and then hit 5, enter, and that'll give you 21. So make sure you're using your calculator functions. Do not use the formula for calculating NPR and NCR.